2019 August past paper question. Combined Maths 1 Integration. A part, using the substitution x is equal to sin square theta plus 3 for theta greater than or equal 0, less than or equal pi by 4, evaluate integration limit 3 to 4 square root of x minus 3 over 5 minus x into dx. Using B part, using partial fraction, find integration 1 over x minus 1 into x minus 2 into dx. Let f of t is equal integration 3 to t 1 over x minus 1 into x minus 2 into dx for t greater than 2. Deduce that f of t is equal log t minus 2 minus log t minus 1 plus log 2 for t greater than 2. Using integration by parts, find integration log of x minus k into dx where k is a real constant. Hence, find integration f of t into dt. And C part, using the formula integration a to b f of x dx is equal a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx, where a and b are constants. Show that integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx is equal minus pi to plus pi e to the power x cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx. Hence, find the value of integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx. Actually, this question contains 7 sub-questions. Okay, now we do answer for this question. First one, we want to integrate by one of the substitution. For theta lies between 0 and pi by 4, x is equal to sin square theta plus 3. When differentiating with respect to theta, dx is equal to constant 2 into, when differentiate this one sin square theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta. That 2, here also 2. Therefore 2 into 2, 4 sin theta cos theta into d theta plus this one 0. When x is equal 3, because we want to integrate this one, here the limit, x limit 3 to 4. Now we want to substitute x is equal to sin square theta plus 3. Therefore we want to find out the theta limit. Okay. When x is equal 3, substitute here, 3 is equal to sin square theta plus 3. Therefore, this one 0, therefore sin square theta 0, therefore sin theta 0, therefore theta is equal 0. When x is equal 4, substitute here, 4 is equal to sin square theta plus 3. Therefore, sin square theta is equal 4 minus 3, 1, then divided by 2, therefore half sin theta is equal 1 over 2. We don't need to consider the minus value because theta lies between 0 and pi by 4, like acute angle. Therefore, theta is equal pi by 4. Okay, now we come to our question, integration of this one. Integration of 3 to 4, square root of x minus 3 over 5 minus x into dx. This is the x limit. X is equal 3 to x is equal 4. Now our substitution, when x is equal 3, theta is equal 0. When x is equal 4, theta is equal pi by 4. Therefore, the limit 0 to pi by 4 into square root of, for x, 2 sin square theta plus 3 minus 3. In denominator, 5 minus, for x, we put 2 sin square theta plus 3 into dx, for sin theta cos theta into d theta. Here, integration limit 0 to pi by 4 square root of, this 3 and 3 cancel, to sin square theta over, this one 5 minus 3, therefore 2 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 is the common factor, 2 into 1 minus sin square theta into 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. When simplifying further, integration 0 to pi by 4 square root of 2 and 2 cancel. Here sin square theta, bottom part, by using Pythagorean identity cos square theta. Into here 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. Now this one, integration 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin square theta sin theta, square root of cos square theta cos theta into 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. Just simplification. Integration 0 to pi by 2, the cos theta cancel. They have a 4 into sin theta sin square theta into d theta. Now we know the double angle identity cos 2 theta is equal 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Therefore 2 sin square theta is equal 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now substitute here. For 2 sin square theta, we do substitute 1 minus cos 2 theta. Therefore this one, integration 2 into 2 out of the integration 0 to pi by 4. Here 2 sin square theta. For the 2 sin square theta, we put 1 minus cos 2 theta into d theta. This one, 2 into, we are going to integrate 1 minus cos 2 theta. So integrate this one. When integrate 1, that is a theta, minus, when integrate cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta by 2. Now the limit 0 to pi by 4. Then next we do 2 into, put the value pi by 4, then minus, then put the value 0. Therefore, theta pi by 4. Then we put for here sin 2 theta. For the theta pi by 4, therefore sin 2 theta pi by 2. So sin pi by 2 1 over 2 minus, then we do 0. Here 0 minus sin 0 0. Therefore this is equal, this term 0, 2 into pi by 4, pi by 2, minus 2 into half 1. So the A part is over. Now B part. What is the B part? This one. Using the partial fraction, find integration 1 over x minus 1 into x minus 2 into dx. So now first we want to do the partial fraction. For this one, 1 over x minus 1 into 1 over x minus 2. So this one, a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 2. Multiply by x minus 1 into x minus 2, both sides of this equation. Therefore, left hand side 1, right hand side a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. The 1 is equal, expanding brackets and simplifying ax plus bx. Therefore, a plus b into ax, here minus 2a, here minus b. Now next, we are going to equate the coefficients of x. Here x coefficient 0, here x coefficients a plus b. Therefore, a plus b is equal 0. Then we equate the constant term. Here constant term 1, here constant term minus 2a minus b. Therefore, minus 2a minus b is equal 1. This is equation number 2. Now we want to find out the values for a and b. One and 2. When at these two equations, b terms cancel. Therefore, a minus 2a is equal 1. A minus 2a. A minus 2a is a minus a. Minus a is equal 1. Therefore, a is equal minus 1. Substituting on the equation number 1, a is equal minus 1. Therefore, b is equal 1. Therefore, the partial fraction, this one, a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 2. For the a minus 1, b 1. Therefore, 1 over x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal minus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 2. Now, we done the partial fraction. Now, we are going to integrate this one. We are going to integrate this one. So, we do integration both sides of this equation. Integration of 1 over x minus 1 into x minus 1 into dx is equal here. Integration minus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 2 into dx. To separate fraction, separating the fraction, minus integration dx over x minus 1 plus integration dx over x minus 2. When integrate this one, minus into log of x minus 1 plus when integrate this one, log of x minus 2 plus c. See the constant. Therefore, integration, this one, when integrate this one, 1 over integration 1 over x minus 1 into x minus 2 into dx is equal log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 1 plus c. Here c is an arbitrary constant. Now we come to this part. This part. In this part, we are given ft is equal integration limit 3 to t 1 over x minus 1 into x minus 2 into dx. By using this previous part, 1 over x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx is equal log of x minus 1 into log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 1. Therefore, when integrate this one by using this part, log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 1. Now integrate in limit 3 to t. Now, when put the value t, then put the value 3. Differentiation. Difference. Therefore, log of t minus 2 minus log of t minus 1, then minus. Now, we do 3 for x. Log of 3 minus 2, that is a log 1, minus log of 3 minus 1, that is log 2. Then simplifying further, log of t minus 2 minus log of t minus 1 minus log 1 0. Minus into minus plus, therefore log 2. Therefore f of t is equal log of t minus 2 minus log of t minus 1 plus log 2. So we deduce this part over for t greater than 2, because log value is not defined for negative. That is why we do assumption t greater than 2. Okay, now we come to the next part, integration by parts. This one. Integration by parts. For the integration by part, we want to integrate two functions same time. One is first function, other one is a second function. Therefore, this one, I think this is very easy to memorize that one. Two function, we are going to integrate the two function. Therefore, the result is first function into integration of second function minus integration notation, integration of second function into differentiation of first function. Different students can do in different way. They memorize, but result is true. Therefore, integration of log of x minus k into dx. We are going to do integrate this function, but here one function. Therefore, we want to change this as a two function. Therefore, this one can be written as log of x minus k into 1 into dx. Now, this is one of the function, another function, 1 is another function. Therefore, two function. We can apply integration by parts. This is function 1, this is function 2. Function 1 is a log of x minus k. Function 2 is 1. So, by this integration by part, first function into first function. What is the first function? Log of x minus k into integration of second function. Now, we want to integrate 1. What is the integration of 1? That is the x. X. Then minus integration notation into integration of second function. That means integration of 1, that is the x, into differentiation of first function. Differentiation of first function. When differentiate log of x minus k, that is 1 over x minus k. 1 over x minus k. Then simplify further this one. X into log x minus k minus x over x minus k into dx. This one, x log x minus k minus integration. Here we subtract minus k, then add k. Therefore, x minus k plus k over x minus k into dx. This one x log of x minus k minus integration. This one x minus k over x minus k 1 plus k over x minus k into dx. This one x log x minus k minus 1 into minus dx, then minus into plus minus k is a constant. Therefore, out of the integration, 1 over x minus k into dx. This one x into log x minus k. When integrate dx, that is x. This one minus k into, when integrate 1 over x minus k, that is log of x minus k plus e constant. Now when simplify further this one, x into log of x minus k, here minus k into log of x minus k, therefore log of x minus k is the common factor, therefore x minus k into log of x minus k, and here minus x plus c. Therefore, when integrate log of x minus k into dx by using integration by parts, we get the result x minus k into log of x minus k minus x plus c. This one. K is a constant, yeah? Then now we do this part. Hence, find integration of ft into dt. Now consider this integration f of t into dt. This one, this is equal integration of log of t minus 2 minus log of t minus 1 plus log 2 into dt. This one, log of t minus 2 into dt minus log of t minus 1 into dt plus log of 2 into dt. Using this one, function ft here. This one, using this previous part, log of x minus k into dx is equal x minus k into log of x minus k. Therefore, here log of t minus 2 into dt. Therefore, this t minus 2 come outside, t minus 2 into log of t minus 2. Then here minus x, therefore minus t. When integrate this one, here we get this one. Then integrate this one minus, using this previous part, t minus 1 outside, then log of t minus 1 into, then minus t. Then integrate this one, log of 2, that is t into log of 2 plus t, one of the constant. Therefore, integration f of t into dt is equal t minus 2 into log of t minus 2 minus here t minus 1 into log of t minus 1. Here minus t, here minus into minus t plus t cancel. Then plus here t log 2 into d. Now this part also over. Now we got the c part. Now do the c part. That is the c part. Using the formula, integration a to b fx dx is equal a to b, integration a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. This is the formula given. Integration a to b f of x into dx is equal integration a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. Now we must show this one. Integration limit minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx is equal integration minus pi to plus pi e to the power x cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx. So now we do consider this one. This one can be written as integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared, here minus pi plus pi minus x. divided by 1 plus e to the power minus pi plus pi minus x. Yeah, because is a minus pi to plus pi. Then this one, integration minus pi to plus pi, this one cos squared minus x divided by 1 plus e to the minus pi and plus pi cancel. They have e to the power minus x into dx. This one, integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus 1 over e to the power x into dx. Cos minus theta, cos theta. This one, integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x into e to the power x over e to the power x plus 1 into dx. Therefore, integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx is equal integration minus pi to plus pi e to the power x cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx. Then we do the last one. Consider, now we want to find the value of integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx. This one we want to find out. But now I do consider 2 times of integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx. Consider 2 times of this one. Consider this one and simplify and I will get this one. Okay, this one can be written like this one because normally 2x is equal x plus x. Therefore, 2 times of this one is equal this one plus this one. Therefore, 2 times of this one can be written as integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx plus integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx. This plus this 2 times this one. I split this one. Okay. This one, integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx plus this one. Why do we have a look at this one? Integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x is equal e to the power x. The term come from this here. Come in front of this one. Come in front of this one. E to the power x into cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x. Therefore, this one also I can write on e to the power x into cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x. LCM is a 1 plus e to the power x. Therefore, integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x plus e to the power x into cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx. This one, integration minus pi to plus pi. This one, e cos squared x is the common factor. Therefore, inside the bracket 1 plus e to the power x into cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx. Then here 1 plus e to the power x, 1 plus e to the power x is cancelled both numerator and denominator. Therefore, integration minus pi to plus pi into cos squared x dx. Double angle identity cos 2 theta is equal to cos squared theta minus 1. Therefore, cos squared theta is equal 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Therefore, for this one cos squared x, we can do 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Integration minus pi to plus pi, 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into dx. This one half into integration minus pi to plus pi, 1 plus cos 2x into dx. when integrate this one, half into, when integrate 1, that is x. When integrate cos 2x, sin 2x by 2, limit minus pi to plus pi. Therefore, half into, then we put pi for x. Therefore, pi plus sin 2 pi by 2 minus, then I do minus pi for x. So, minus pi plus sin 2 into minus pi, minus 2 pi by 2. Now this one, 1 by 2 into, inside the bracket pi, plus sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi is a 0. Sin 2 pi is a 0. Minus here, minus 5, and sin minus 2 pi also 0. Therefore, this one, minus pi, minus into minus pi plus pi, 1 pi plus 1 pi, 2 pi. Half into 2 pi. Therefore, this is equal pi. Therefore, the 2 times of this integration is pi. But our question is this one. Integration minus pi to plus pi. Cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx. Therefore, this 2 will be divided here. Therefore, integration minus pi to plus pi cos squared x over 1 plus e to the power x into dx is equal pi by 2.